There is a desire for simplification of the tax code. This includes proportionality and how the tax system enforces compliance. Within this budget, this is a clear ask from business. Firstly, penalties around Pillar 2 filings need to better reflect the compliance failure involved. Where large groups have multiple Irish entities, a single missed Globe information return or notification deadline can trigger multiple penalties, quickly escalating far beyond what is reasonable. A capped group-based penalty approach, aligned with other group filing regimes, would materially simplify compliance, whether entities fall within a QDTT or UTPR grouping. Secondly, late IXBRL filing penalties remain disproportionate and out of step internationally. They often create significant commercial cost, which is out of kilter with the late filing. Simplification here would remove friction whilst supporting compliance. And finally, interest on late tax payments at rates of 8 to 10% are excessively punitive in today's interest rate environment. A lower rate would better reflect fairness and current borrowing costs, rather than operating as a deterrent through punishment. Proportionate penalties don't weaken the system, they strengthen it. They encourage compliance, reduce administrative burden, and support a simpler, more credible tax regime.